So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could potentially use machine translation or AI capabilities in the OneForma translation tool. As you can see, we have the OneForma screenshot here, but unfortunately, I don't have any live access to OneForma. So I can only show you an emulation of what you could possibly do, and this is why I would need your help if you have any live access to OneForma. So if you could please try this approach and then tell me in comments if it actually works or not. But I think it should work. So what you can do, you can open Bohemicus. And you can go to this OCR tab, which is right here. And then you would click this Show Transparent OCR window. This transparent OCR window is right here now, and I will show you later what to do with it. And also, if you could please check this Translate OCR strings. This will ensure that the recognized strings will be translated into your target language. And then what you could do, you could also select the source language in your OneForma tool, which in this case will be English. And then you would go to this language and settings, and you would set up the translation settings. So go to language and settings, and then to language, and set your source language, which is English in this case, and let's set the target language to Spanish or to any other target language that you would need. So in this case, Spanish. And then you would also choose your translation engine, which we will leave with DeepL. And right now you can minimize Bohemicus and back to this transparent window, and you would place this transparent window over the string that you would like to translate, which in this case is this "You forget about me" in the OneForma tool. I only have the screenshot of the OneForma tool, but let's use it anyway. I think it could work like this. And then to simulate the input, the text input, let's place this notepad over this proposed translation field in OneForma, just to show you how it could potentially work. So now let's imagine you are in OneForma, so you would place this transparent window over your source string, and then you would go to this proposed translation field, which in this case, of course, doesn't work because it's just a screenshot. So let's emulate it with this node window. So let's go into it. And now when you want to translate the string, the "You forget about me," then you would go to this field and you would just press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus Enter. And as you can see, Bohemicus will recognize the string, the source string, and then it will translate it into your target language, which in this case is Spanish. So as you can see, it's been translated here. So let's try it once again, but we could change the target language. Maybe let's change it to French. Let's go back and let's try it once again. So place your cursor into your target text box and let's just press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus Enter. And this time, as you can see, it's been translated into French. So this is how you could use the machine translation capabilities in OneForma. So please do let me know in comments if this approach actually works in your live session of OneForma. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.